What's up, guys? This is your boy Nkubi the Entertainer. Go. Today we are here at Madaga's place. I just arrived here. So it's one Jeepers Creepers. You know that one is for sale. And the test. And we have a new one which is getting fixed. First of all, let me go check the RS3 because I'm here for the RS3, not for small boys. Okay. Let me go check. Tools are here, which means they've been working. Oh, the RS3 is still here. Where's Madaga? Now who's gonna give me information? I acted. I called them small boys, and now they're the ones who have to give me information on what's happening with this RS3. Oh, I keep saying RS3, S3. S3. So there's no R here. So this guy is only for pasting. You know, when I see this, these things on the floor, here, which means they've gone to engineering. They went to buy rings and bearings for S3. Rings and bearings. These are the rings. The bearings are like this. So which means they took, okay, another thing that shows me they've gone to buy rings and bearings, and they went to rings and bearings. Normally, when this, what is this? Cam. Also, this S3 works with twin cam. Okay, I didn't know. Another thing that shows, they have to take one piston and they go to engineering. Let me check. If you find one piston missing, which means I'm right. See? There's a piston, nothing. So they took this piston. Those guys, they need to know what size of rings and what size of bearings do they need. So overhaul. I just hope the driver drives this car nice, guys. Because, guys, we must take it from him and give him rabbit, so that he learns how to drive fast first. You can't just start racing with this one and guys, what is this thing? I'm just going back there. Is it a all-wheel drive, guys, this car? I think so, because there's seems to be like a diff. There's a turbo. I think there's a turbo. Yeah, they went to engineering. Rings and bearings and everything else. So let me go. I don't need to ask those guys. I don't need to ask them. Which part did I not show you on this? Why does it have this? What is this? A cooler. Guys, what is this? This is not a radiator. It has small radiators. Let me see if there's that radiator this side as well. There's those two radiators. Where's that front? I think it's in the garage. That's the big radiator. That one has the big radiator. I don't know what these small radiators are for. My first time seeing them. I didn't even know they existed. RS3, I can't wait to be inside view, and Madaga goes around driving you right, because he's a good driver. Anyway, let's go see the giant that side. Let's go chill with the tent and hear what they need to say. There's the City Sport they're working on. I don't know whose car it is, and then don't want to just go and start flocking with someone who doesn't want to be shown. This sounds like he's the owner. That's why. Firstly, we feel good. While some RS3 rings and bearings. So flop noggin. Oh, you're just waiting for transaction. So what's needed? If they do the transaction, what are you gonna buy? What's needed in the car now?
We're going to take the crank to the engineering. And we're going to buy the
conrod. Only conrods and crank to engineering. That's it.
Yeah, and
rings and bearings. Yeah. Oh,
And yeah, and valve systems.
valve systems.
Two valves are broken. So we're going to
So do you buy all the valves or you're gonna buy two?
all the valves.
These cars, guys. So are they gonna come today or?
Today.
Oh, aye. Then I'm sticking around. I wanna see what's going on. Oh, kumaki. Begitu mbedita mmaga tsa ditaba. DZB ID we gabe di hela. Engine cleaning. Engine cleaning. Engine bay. An engine doesn't come here and leave that way. No, it leaves clean. It's a new one. Actually, guys, this is not flexing. It also helps. It helps when there's a leak somewhere, and when the mechanic didn't do a good job somewhere, you will see leaks and everything else. But if he's trusting his job and everything, he cleans the car like this. So whatever happens, you can see it. Even if it's a little amount of antifreeze, you should see it spilling. Regardless of whether you stay at the gravel or wherever. After doing this, you just take the car to the car wash, you cover the distributor, and then they give it a spray gun. I can talk like this, but I don't do it. I'm giving you advice. I'm giving you advice because I've seen Baba do it to many cars. I don't do it. Oh. So Madaga, okay. Ulo dry. Keep petrol boy. Keep unleaded. He's trying to fetch all the hard places to reach. Hey. Kuru cleaner. Uso joko cha apo ka sebone. O ra wena wa tseba go fitile ka ya so fitile. Na be ke tlo jiga antshi mo ba joko jang yo. Wena we ya kwa ya once. Chai. Kuru kwa sai last. Quas doesn't last here. Or if you don't know what a quas is the brush. He calls it quas. I don't know why he calls it quas. Baba le bone le dia ke more lebele le sona.
Le expiry.
Why is expiry ka moka?
Aro reka le le ntsho.
Why is expiry ka moka?
Kamora ka le le ntsho. Ntse ntse phala gale le mogotsi
Ya ne ansa mo dia pala. Sure.
A di jwana wa mo change. Ya o nya mogotsi mo. Let me show you. I asked what makes the lights to turn brown. What makes the lights to turn brown? And when the silver background is gone, these lights are not as bright as they used to be. You get? So yeah. Hey. Baba never gets tired by mistake. Rabbit, it even forgot how it feels to go out. Rabbit, they parked you for the longest. You must, when they try starting you, you must say no, ne? Because they left you for the longest. Ne? Play rabbit. Oh, so guys, we chilled. As you can see now, it's even approaching the evening. It's even dark. So these people seem like they're not gonna pitch today. We understand the parts of this car are very costly. That's why they shouldn't drive it the way they did, and they shouldn't be heating. So yeah, they bumping crazy things. But anyway, I think tomorrow they'll do it. Let me just go ask Madaga what's going on. Let me go check up on Madaga. The Tsuetus. Tsuetona is very beautiful, guys. Don't play. I forgot my lights on. Let me switch them off. Oh, jeepers creepers. Where guy? Yeah, Roger. Roger. Aye. Jeepers creepers. What are you protecting? Oh, what lay, madam? What lay, madam? Okay, dear sponge. Oh, this man played with me. He said he's leaving. I ran, but he's not going anywhere. We went off now. Hey, Magrigamba. Learning ugly boys. Ugly boys worldwide. This guy. This chick. Ari. Coil is gone. Nothing will happen. Ari, start more. Nothing. So when I block here, should be some air. There's nothing. Nothing is happening. Hola, hey. Hola, darla.
Okay, bo.
One dish.
Tata muki go injector jidara.
Hey, mfana.
Eta betha ndela. Ever tiwa mo khalo bia mna ke.
Mola, khoyi.
Ngubi mwi.
Mola khoyi.
Ur moya.
Hey.
Khalo tseni ngu. In check.
Mfana wena mfana utonyela wena. Sa tshwarela selo wena mfana. Bija mnatha.
Okay, bo o transfer.
Bumnatha wa utsheji janachi ubadile janachi.
Lo jaba yokunthusha.
Mfana. This boy wants to electrocute me.
Hey. Oh,
this guy. Mfana he.
Uthibe moya usikhathi. Urumoya usikhathi.
Thiba kuwa ish.
Uthiba phela.
Wena thiba ku.
So thiba nna fela bro.
Gathiba momuntu lo ntwetsa mono wa phela.
Akere wa tseba ra ibile.
Bambishitse mo. Di mano mbishitse mono.
Bese ke mo galo tsharo batho bonetso wa.
Ke raga mola. Mola.
Sentse berekile nku galo kwa.
Ke gale kwa bose.
Ke ka zola ntse ke di polaka wena wa ralo.
Bona kwa galotse ntšhitše monwana ba bane go bone ntšhuro ya a bušeditše cable bo santse re moya re
Mo awone moya wa selo. Moya o tswa kuzozong fela. Moya o tswa kuzozong fela wena. Shangwari, you wanna kill me? Mfana beko bolaile mfana was gonna kill me.
amarataro mfana wa tsebe re ntole botlhoko
Mona ntse le botlhoko mona. Ya khediela wena. Ya tsepa tires. Ke botsa monatha ire thiba dress ka tswa mo. Ya monwana ka direction district tshaka. Ina kana mo di ga le tsogo ntwe. La ga di ke koloi.
wena wa motshepa motshepa
Ngesa motsepo. Pula thi. Folo gala yo betha ka.
kana o bolela serious
Apa phiso nja papa. Tswara we. Ere ku golf.
wena o sa cheke spaka ka monwana mo o re se a tswa
A ke re tshwane le ikoli du mo
e bisha thapela re
ya mmare
wena
ka di bushedi.
re wena o re napile re na re tatutse le be thiba wena mo ntho le tshwara ga tefo ya ba tefo e
Ke re ke raga mole. Mole. Somewhere na mole. Shabela na mole. Ana mo.
la ka bompia ana mo atula
O lokele le batho le le purple.
mo atula lo ke le lo na ka bua
Marinate. Managa mfana.
beno go fela
Ben transpanner.
Nka yone ya dutla di hole. O nyaka eng wena gane?
papa ga le ke mo tsara tswa email bona
Oh. Wena mona o amweba. Wa itse ba amweba.
Amuiba go reng.
Amweba o butse Julius.
Awa. Mara o sa o to thibe ntho re ska tswa mo.
Mfane.
e to re ba bušheleka
Nga sa o tshwarela selo mo phelo. O ndile stela ga bedi mamothe.
ya mara buša mfana
Wa ro ya tropo, wa ro ya zone 1. Ka laeta dithebo.
mara buša mo
Ka laeta dithebo gano o pheka koloi. Lena a le deserve trust Madaga 6.
right
Trust ya o swa ya o rona. Zizwa. I got bus guys but it's one. Jeepers creepers. Yeah guys, jeepers and tweetos. And my hippies, tweetwana the tweetos. So guys, we waiting for Madaga. I've been waiting for Madaga. Oh, he's back. Kanchar to mega cross fault. Mazimba ogana ubula ngwana ono ba agana ubula. They don't open for my hippies because they're eating zimbas. Ish. Awa akusayidala kimi utarole mathateng serious utarole mathateng ama serious ama nnete wo sa bulile faster gane open the door, my hippies want zimbas. VR6 Madaga.
Golf.
Golf 1, Golf 2, Golf 3, Golf 4.
On a le VR6 ya golf.
Yeah, in Golf 5.
Ya magi.
Oh, asu jet
Yeah, Golf. Yeah, VR6. You need jet, yeah, VR6.
Nganga lo thomang le tupa le.
You need jet slide.
oh, we're missing sometimes. Ariabon. You know, I told you what was going on there, and now I'm going to do it. That is all we have for this episode of Constance and Class, which is the hottest car show in Zanzibar Fit. From me, the entertainer, I'm signing out.